Gold, the precious metal that has captivated mankind for centuries. Today we dive into the fascinating world of gold discovery and mining in Jamaica. This captivating journey begins with the discovery of gold in the 18th century, a moment that forever changed the course of Jamaica's history. The initial reactions to this discovery were a mix of surprise and excitement, as it marked the dawn of a new era for the island. The discovery had significant impacts, transforming Jamaica into a land of opportunity with the promise of wealth and prosperity. Jamaica's geological composition, rich in minerals and metals, makes it a gold-bearing land. The island's unique geological aspects, such as its volcanic origin and bountiful rivers, have contributed to the presence of gold in its soil. These natural features set the stage for the establishment of a thriving gold mining industry. With such an intriguing history, let's delve deeper into Jamaica's gold mining industry. Unearthing gold isn't a simple task, it's a